we were on a farm, you could hug them and run around with them and chase them and play tag with them. Piggies love to run around. Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. We should down the
Look at
water.
that piggy's lying down now.
Taking a nap.
Tired. Yes, thank you.
He's eating mud. Is that good?
They live in the dirt, yeah, but they don't eat dirt.
What do they eat?
They eat all kinds of stuff, whatever they put out, but usually fruits and stuff.
And what else?
I don't know what they feed these piggies. We have to wait and see what they feed them.